For today's video, I did a collaboration with this company called Jack and Drill. They have a whole bunch of hardware options for you to choose from. They sent me these wall hooks and I knew exactly what I wanted to do with them. My house has been a complete disaster. We just walk right in through the garage and we throw all of our stuff on it, and I just knew that this is what I wanted to do, was to make a Board and Batten wall coat rack type thing. So anyways, I filmed that for you guys and I can't wait to share I cannot wait for you guys to see this simple DIY. Like literally guys, it took us 2 hours. My camera lens zooms in too far, so I thought I'd show you guys with my phone just so you can get a better picture of it. So this is where the haul tree is going to go to hang all of our coats. We walk in through our garage right here, so this is the area that all of our coats tend to go and our shoes and everything. This is essentially our mudroom slash laundry room. So really rough sketch of what I want. So we're gonna do wood across, wood down, wood down, wood down. All the hooks that Jack and Jill gave me will go here, and then I'm gonna make a little bench across the bottom and then put a basket for shoes underneath. So that's what we're going with. The wood from our barn. Our plan was to do a bench across the bottom, but my husband just informed me that we have to open the door still, so it's not gonna happen, which I don't know why I didn't think that. But his idea is to do a half bench, so just like a little bench over here and have it stop in the middle, so then we can still open the door all the way.
Okay, what's that? You guys say 2.4?
No, it's not 2.4, it's 2.5.
That's inches. Just go down. Just go 2.4.
Okay, 2.4, and so then after that?
Yeah. Then you guys say 1.2. Say 1.2.
Okay, so 1.2 is half
Okay.
of 2.4.
Okay, so with your other hand.
We're gonna mark right?
Yeah. Alright, badass. Okay, now get your cord. You gotta look at both sides and make it look like you know what you're doing. Look at both sides. No, not on those sides. Top. Switch it. Go on top. So you gotta look at that stuff. You won't be a professional.
So we just do the board on top of the block.
Yeah, center.
Oh, it's so far. Here is where we're at right now. We have the piece going across the top, 3 going down, then 1 going across. Peyton's out building the bench right now. I'm just debating if I need to do a piece in between on each side, just to fill it in more. And then I think I will paint in between those pieces as well, just to give it more of a distinct look. First rough coat of that green that's throughout my entire house, and I love it. So that just made it kind of pop a little bit more. And it's Military Green by Sherwin-Williams. We are stopping here for the night. So we got it all done, painted, and the bench put up. So tomorrow I'll organize and clean up down there, and I think I'm gonna put a little basket or something right here. I'll figure that out. And then I'm gonna attach the hooks going across the top to hang coats. decorating it and staging it for a photo. So I just wanted to show you guys the end result. It literally took us about 2 hours last night to build everything, and then I just had to pretty much clean up the laundry room and stage it. But I love it, and it just made this tiny little space in our mudroom slash laundry room so much more convenient for when we walk through the garage door, which is the way we come into our house. We never go through the front door, so it just made it functional and organized. You can actually sit on it and put your boots on and off.